to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chocolate coated coconut ice. So let's get started. I've got here some homemade coconut ice. If you want to know how to make coconut ice, I'll put a link below. But instead of cutting them into squares, cut them into fingers. And 375 grams of cooking chocolate. You will also need a baking tray lined with baking paper, 2 forks and a spoon. Take your chocolate in a microwave safe dish and melt your chocolate in the microwave for 1 minute. Give it a mix, and if your chocolate has not melted, give it another 30 seconds at a time, giving it a good mix after each interval. Chocolate will hold its shape in the microwave, so just be careful. Now take one coconut ice finger at a time and coat them with the melted chocolate using the 2 forks. Let the excess chocolate drip off and put them on the baking paper. Repeat the process until you have finished coating all the coconut ice. I've finished coating up all my coconut ice. Put them in the fridge to set for 30 minutes. My chocolate coated coconut ice is out of the fridge. Let me dish it out and show you. My chocolate coated coconut ice is ready. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.